In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Converting USDT to Solana or any other crypto asset available on Phantom Wallet is extremely simple. This is because this is a feature that they have available by default. So you will be able to use the actual application. You don't have to use any third-party tools or exchange wallets, and you will be able to get the Solana directly deposited into your Phantom wallet. So all that you have to do is use the swap function. This is going to be a default function alongside receive, send, and buy. So tap on swap and you will be able to get this conversion done. Immediately upon selecting swap, you can customize the tokens that you want to swap between. So you will be able to see the token that you will be receiving. In this case, you want to ensure that this says Solana, and then the token that you will be paying with. So in this case, you want to see USDT. Of course, customize this to whatever you prefer. You can use this button in the middle to swap between them. So Solana would be the one that you are paying with receiving USDT, or just leave them as is, and you can customize the amount. So immediately upon including the amount in USDT, the amount in Solana will be updated. So these prices are always going to be reflected. You can see the current price or exchange rate of the Phantom wallet, so always pay attention to that. Be aware of any possible included fees and transfer times. It might take a while for your Solana to arrive. And like I said, it is going to be deposited directly into your Phantom wallet, so you don't have to worry about receiving it later. It will directly appear and you can review everything. So the provider, the price, the included fees, which is very important, price impact, slippage. So keep in mind that you might be losing a little bit of value in this transfer, but it is still the most convenient way to do it. And after you tap the option to swap, you just have to wait the needed time to get this done. Like I said, it is going to include fees and slippage, so always pay attention to all of that. And as long as you do this transfer to Phantom Wallet, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert USDT to Solana in Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.